Welcome back from diff land. Now we're moving on to another command called git stash. We're talking about a concept called stashing, and that's really all the section is about, this one command and what it does and different ways of using it. I'm going to start in this intro by just telling you up front that some people don't really use git stash all that much, if at all. It's more of a convenience method, a tool that can help you in certain situations, but there aren't really situations where you have to use it. The first video, after this one at least, of the section focuses on situations where stashing would be helpful, the problem that it tries to help, or what it tries to make more convenient for you. So I just want to say that up front, this is just a topic that some people live their lives without using all the time, but it's good to know about. So I'm going to say that the basics of stashing is important. Using git stash save and git stash pop, those are two commands. They're both just git stash, but two things that have to do with stashing will be all important. And then the rest, I'm going to say, goes in nice to have, which might be a bit harsh on stashing. But I want to highlight that in a lot of the cases when people do use stash, which I recognize I haven't even explained yet, so it probably means nothing, but most of the time people use save and pop, and then these additional features are there, and I'm sure there are lots of people who use them all the time. But if you read around on Reddit and Stack Overflow, a lot of people just use save and pop if they use stash at all. So I don't mean to write it off before we get started. I personally use git stash frequently, but I just wanted to make it clear that not everybody uses it, and it's something you can get by without. It's just a convenience method. Okay, I'm going to shut up so that you can listen to me talk more in the next video.